And then the Breathe Touch was the free product of the month with a 125-point order, supports your respiratory function, opens up your airways, and this is already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and not so good news. I was doing my unboxing video for April, which I got a lot of free products, and basically I've finished everything. Everything turned out good except for my phone said the memory was too full. I deleted more than I should have, and basically deleted the whole video for the doterra LRP. And you can see the box right here. You know, I had it. It was done. So the consolation prize is we're going to walk through my pantry real quick and show you a little bit of the products that I got for this month. And just as a mini recap, so I spent about $200 in points, and then I got about $200 in free products. Okay, so now I'm going to walk through and go through some of the staples that I had received. Okay, so let's flip this thing around here. You can see here, some of the stuff I got was the probiotics. So this is really important for digestive health, supports healthy digestive function and immunities. These are the good guys. You want about a 10-to-1 ratio of good guys to bad guys, and this will do it. And so it also comes with 6 billion CFUs, or individual microorganisms, and probiotics are very important. I include this in my little regimen here. You see this is like my capsule holder, and basically I put one of those in these categories here. Let's see, is it in this one or is it in this one? Yes, there it is, right there. Boom. And then I got for this month 2 Terrazymes. So the Terrazymes are great for basically breaking down your food. So this is one of the deficits in the standard American diet. So basically breaking down carbs, fats, sugars, proteins, all the important stuff, and this is very lacking. So I got 2 of these. And basically the rule of thumb is if your meal is fully cooked, you take 3. If your meal is about 2/3 cooked, you take 2. And if it's 1/3 cooked, you take 1. And if it's like a fully raw meal, like a salad or a green smoothie, then you don't have to take 1. But I take it anyway just to kind of break down what was in my body from previously. And then I put 1 in each one of these. And so you can see, oops, I already took that for today. And boom, it's in there. It's this one right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm pointing. Anyways, and these are a little discolored because some of the vitamins kind of rub off inside, so I get some seconds and thirds for laters. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're going to move it along here. You can see some of the other stuff I have, like organic apple cider vinegar and olive oil, organic, and all that good stuff. All right, so I did get the Lifelong Vitality Pack this month as well. And let's see, that one's, here we go. All right, so this is the vegan version, but basically I got the whole food micronutrient. So this is vitamins and minerals, more easily absorbable. And then it comes with a number of different vitamins and minerals, and that help your absorption of these minerals as well. That's very important. It's not just what you eat, but how much you absorb. The proprietary whole food blend, active enzyme blend, tummy tamer blend. Boom, there we go. Okay, so this is really important to take because the standard American diet is very lacking in trace minerals as well as vitamins and minerals, which are damaged with overprocessed foods as well as cooked foods. All right, so here we go. The VE Omega also comes in XE Omega form. So this is the essential fatty acids, omegas 3, 6, and 9, also lacking in the standard American diet, this is helping to fill some of that gap. So we have some vitamins and minerals, omega blend here, carotenoid blend, and then certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. So we have clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. So these are really important for supporting your brain and your joint health. So that is a must-have. And then finally, so I have some extras that I basically from the previous month, but yeah, I try to transfer those. Anyways, we're gonna go to the last part of the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which these 3 amigos are doTERRA's best-selling products. And these are great. These are the Alpha CRS Plus. So these support your mitochondria and your energy levels on a cellular level. And you can see they have a number of different botanicals and plant extracts, a cellular energy blend, and a tummy tamer blend with peppermint, ginger, and caraway. And the important thing to note is that there's no sugar or caffeine in this, and it's supporting you on a cellular level. So that is very, very important. The mitochondria specifically, which are like the little engines of your cells. I also got this month some Mito2 Max. This was actually free because I used my points, but this is also going to support your energy levels because it's the energy and stamina complex. So you can see also it has a number of different mitochondrial and energy cofactors And these are things that are necessary in order to have other things happen, like bodily processes in your body. You got circulation support, adaptogenic blend. So yeah, a lot of great things to support you on a cellular level. And then what I do is I just put I put 2 of each of these into the AM and PMs, and then I put 1 of these into the AMs or the PMs, and I put 1 of each in these. Then I also take an extra of the enzymes when I eat cooked foods. So we're gonna move on along. I got a lot of stuff here, some Ezekiel cereal. I got the V-Shake. So this is the vegan protein powder that doTERRA has, kind of vanilla flavor. Good source of protein and fiber, which I'm going to try to show here. Right, so relatively low in fat, but fat is good, especially from plant-based sources. And then we got fiber there, boom, and then protein. So I put this in my green smoothies, and I encourage everyone to do the green smoothie challenge. It is an amazing challenge to help support your energy, digestion, and weight management goals. And these are some of the more supplement-based products that I got this month. And specifically, I got these at about 40% off because I got the Lifelong Vitality Pack. That's the special. And then I got that for free, which is the Mito 2 Max, because that was used with product credits. And now I'm going to show you what I got for free and paid for with regards to essential oils. All right, so just an overview. You can see what I got this month. Did a little donation, Slim and Sassy V-Shake. I paid for the Lifelong Vitality Pack, as we talked about, the enzymes. So I got those at a great discount, and the probiotics. Paid for the Peppermint, Cassia, Wild Orange, and Lemon. And then got the Mito 2 Max for free. So that is what that's showing, 0 on that side. I got 4 fractionated coconut oils, a lavender, a doTERRA Breathe Touch for free, because that's the product of the month for doing a 125-point value order. And then I got a free Deep Blue Rub and a free Deep Blue Oil because I did 200 points. And that is basically all the stuff I got for free. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for free this month. And I'm going to show you what those were exactly on the oil side. All right, so these are the products that I paid for this month. So it's the Peppermint, and so this is good for supporting your airways, digestion, mental clarity, and focus. I have some videos on how to use that exactly as well. Cassia, which is like cinnamon's cousin, and this is great for, basically supporting your immune system as well. And I use it in a lot of recipes and my green smoothies too, so that's a great option. The cinnamon is about 1/3 of the size, and they're both about the same price, so this is kind of like the economy size for value. And then the wild orange and lemon, which are like citrus cousins. Use these in my green smoothies. Clean my hands, clean surfaces. It's just an all-around great oil, and I use it to clean my hands in bathrooms and public locations. Very, very important for that. And then I have lavender. So these are the items I got for free over here, so you can see. So I got the lavender, which is good for calming and relaxation. Put that behind my ears at night. And then we have the Deep Blue special here. So boom, the Deep Blue is supporting your muscles and joints when they get achy or tight. And this is the lotion form, so easier to apply. This is the oil, more concentrated. And you can do a layering technique where you put about a pea-sized amount of the Deep Blue rub on, and then you put some Deep Blue oil on. So that's good. And then the Breathe Touch was the free product of the month with a 125-point order. Supports your respiratory function, opens up your airways, and this is already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. So this is a really good option for you too. And then finally, fractionated coconut oil. And I got 4 of these for free. And so these are a great carrier oil. They help spread the concentration of essential oils out, so they're less chance of irritation, as well as they basically help the essential oil to absorb better into your skin. And they also have no odor or smell. They're non-greasy. And these are just an all-around great oil to use, especially after showering when your pores are open, and to moisturize your skin too. So lots of benefits of that. And so I got these for free this month right here on this lower level. I paid for these, and then the previous section with my supplements showed a little bit more as well. So lots of value. So to summarize, I got about $200 worth of free stuff, this plus the other stuff, and then I paid about a couple $100. So it's a great deal this month and took advantage of it all. Alright, so as you can see, the unboxing wasn't quite an unboxing because I did unbox it and you just didn't get a chance to see it because I deleted the file by accident. You know, stuff happens. Maybe I need some oils for memory or, you know, some rosemary up in here. But anyways, so it happened. Anyways, I wanted to share with you all the stuff I got for free, all the stuff I paid for this month, and just so you can get an idea of, hey, it was still Christmas in a box. I still had all the amazingness. The doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards program is a way for you to be proactive with your wellness lifestyle, and whatever you do to get well, you can do to stay well and tweak along the way so your quality of life is being enhanced with natural, safe, effective, and less expensive options. And that's what's helped me so much over the past, what now, 5+ years that I've been with doTERRA. So yeah, I really love their products and the ability to have them replace what was in my health kitchen and bathroom cabinets with, you know, just green, non-toxic options. And it's so important to understand the benefits and uses so these products don't collect dust in the box they came in. But anyways, we use them because they're like liquid gold in value and they're just so powerful. That concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and seeing my makeshift unboxing video, which wasn't an unboxing video at all, but was a reveal video. Hey, there we go. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.